everyone, we're going to do an unboxing video of a shaver. It says S9000 Prestige right there. Okay, it says Philips Best. So I think it means it's the best shaver. And ultimate closeness and skin comfort. So it gives you comfort in the skin. It says made in Netherlands. It has these pictures. I think these are things that are inside. Skin IQ technology senses and adapts to you. It's cable free. Oh, there's another side. Over here it says Hydro Skin Guide Coating, Ultra Flex Suspension System, Power Adapt Sensor, Top Spin Digital Motor, Personal Comfort Settings, cable free, wireless QI charging pad with quick clean pod. The unboxing begins. Opening the box. And inside it says the best starts here. Aquí llega lo mejor. La refrigeradora Philips S9000 Prestige ofrece total presión y comodidad. Okay, something like that. Here's a bag. Take this off. Let's see what's in it. Shaver. Brush. A brush to clean things with. The shaver, it's wrapped in wrapper. Here, it looks like that. This is a shaver. Let's see if it works. It's working. Let's see if it's working. Oh, it says it's low on battery. Yeah, whoa, this is good. Whoa, I just did it and it feels very smooth. Oh my gosh, this is really good. And there's the sticker. I'm gonna take this off. There. Oh, I know what this is. Guess what it is, guys? It's the nose trimmer. You can trim your nose and there's a lid. Oh, a wrapper. And, this is the charger. Okay, that we don't need. Ooh, the thing that, it says cleaning cartridge. You have to replace it every 3 months. It costs about $10. Another wrapper. I'm gonna take out, I think this is a cleaner. Like instruction inside. Like this button you can press like that. I think that's a sensor. Lock, unlock button, that switch, and I think if you spin it, you can take it out. I think that's where you put in the cartridge. It's the wireless charger, because that's the only thing that didn't come out. So far, box you don't need. Another wrapper out. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh, it looks quite pretty, right? This is a charger. The wrapper again. Remember this part? We can connect it to the charger right here. Like that. Shaver cleaner. And then it'll be sitting here, then you just put it in there. Looks like that when you put it in the shaver. You have to put this in here, open this up, right, like that. And this side looks like that. It's kind of cool, right? And then over here, it's just like an empty barrel. And then I'm going to open this up, open the lid, peel it off. Ooh. Oh, it smells really nice. It looks like that. It has a dent. It looks like a swimming pool. And I'm going to put it in. Okay, it didn't splash. Plug it in. And it's in. Spin it. Lock it. We are done. I think the charger works without battery. Wow, this is cool. I think it works with the battery from the shaver. Let's try. Let's see if it works. No, not that. Oh, it's already cleaned. This is how we charge it. Let me show you. Okay, see? We put this in here. And it's going to charge. That's nice. Okay, this is good. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed my video. I'll see you next time with other fun stuff. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.